Hi, good afternoon, my friends. Now this is the situation of my trellis, basically like a slab. So it's ready to receive the paving. So here's the paper that I'm gonna put there. Actually, these are recycled papers that I took from like mini forest. So they're offcuts. So when I put it there, I put a concrete in between, so it will looks like crazy cut paper. So by the way, today is Friday, and the time now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, and yeah, I'm going to start the paving today. Yeah, so I have to locate the center line, both ends, then put a string line so that I can check the slope, and then you start put those paper. Please join me, and we'll see how far I can go today with this beautiful weather. Yeah, just a few patchy clouds in our area. So yesterday there's a bit of rain, that's why there's a bit of muddy in this ground. So hopefully it won't rain today, so I can finish what I have to do today. Okay, to my subscribers, viewers, and people watching my YouTube channel, please stay with me, and we'll see how far I can go today. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and bye for now.